I'm going to be hanging some sheets of plywood in our shed because it doesn't look too good in videos when it's just bare insulation, and we will repaint them black at the end of all of it. We got our piece cut, now we just got to hang it. Now I need to rip another sheet at 18 and then put another full sheet in between these studs. Cut out a spot for this outlet right here, and then we will be almost done. Got the plywood and the paint. Now that I got plywood and paint, I got to cut a hole out for this outlet. Not too bad of a cut. It's another day and the last thing to do is paint. And just like that, we got it all sheeted, all painted, and it should look a lot better for my videos.